And a big festive hello to everyone. We couldn't get any dangle heckin' sleep. It just doesn't come anymore. So instead we're gonna put our awake time to some use. So when last we fooled around with this, we got the repair function, I think, working. It could be polished up a little. You take your thing, you slap it down on the table, you throw a piece of gold, it goes boop. It's a little loud, I don't like it. So we'll make the boop be a little bit less loud. Where was that? Was that under repair or hold target or evaluate? I think that's under evaluate. Doo boop. Boop. Here it is. Yeah, one. Let's make that like 0.65. Make sure you slap this button right here. Aha, aha, aha. Don't. We're done with the sword, so we don't need it anymore. We're going to throw it into the garbage place. We'll get a new sword, break it. There we go. Excellent. You can see it's got maximum damage has been inflicted. I guess that's a less loudlier ting. Anyways, now you go. And you click it way too many times. Something ain't right here. Oh. I'm a fool. You would never, ever, ever finish off of this sword. The damage value is too high. So in our repair function over here, we've got... Where is it? I set the repair strength for each individual material to determine how many bonks are supposed to fix it. And we're using damage values for diamond materials. Here, you can have this one. Oh, thanks. You put a damage value on my diamond. Appreciate it, bro. You're the best. Alright. Oh, you just dangle hurt yourself. Alright. And then a ting. So about 25 bonks. And now your diamond sword is fixed and good to go. Hey, I'm pretty sure I left me some fix me notes. I bet they're really, really rude. Alright. Well, this sword is ready to be rebroken. It's called a tag doofus. Fix me, polish, fix me, polish. Did I fix the repair function? I sure didn't. So there's a second thing we need to account for when we take our sword. Let's just slap it on the table. And do we have any commands? No, we don't. So let's do data get from an entity. Any entity. Got to do a limit of 1. Oh man, the chat room messages are going to be in the way. That's okay. Limit of 1. Type does not equal player. That's good. And then distance up to a distance of 3. If we took this off the table and slapped it on the actual anvil, put a diamond there. Oh, that's so loud, my ears. Hold on. There we go. If we then slap that on the table and run this command, we'll see, this guy right here is the problem that this entire data pack is determined to fix. So, you see, the thing is, when this repair cost gets a little too high, you can't fix your guy. He ain't ever able to be fixed. You just gotta throw him away and make a new one. And that was called repair cost. And it's camel cased, uppercased. So, Mojang do camel case, but they started uppercased. We ain't gonna do that. If we're camel casing, we gonna be doing it lower to the big, so the hump's in the middle. And that was called repair cost, right? I'm not sure. Yeah, there it is, repair cost. Yeah. Smooth beans. Very good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So we want to set that guy back down to, I don't know, 0. Yeah. Let's just do that. Clap him down to 0, make sure the game gets saved, and then when we fix him up, ding. Remember, you can spam click, that's how you fix things. And then if we slap that bad boy down and check, his repair cost has been zeroed. Perfect. So now your sword can live forever and never ever die. Oh, oh, he gone. I need to build a yeet cannon to throw the stuff I'm done with. Just yeet it into that. I wonder how you add motion to an entity. That would be fun to look into. Let's go again with our swordsies. Now do note, the damage values for the different items and materials could be vastly different. And we're assuming the rate of repair for the sword. We're not gonna change the rates for things, so some of your stuff might get repaired faster, some might get repaired slower. That's not really a big deal, and it's not really within the scope. So the polish we want to add right now is take the sword and make it not spam clicky. That's step 1. Step 2 is make it so when you shift click the sword off, it's gonna save its scoreboard value into the sword and load that scoreboard value if it exists. But now we've got to learn how to do an if-then statement in Minecraft. Give me a scripting language, please. That'll come after the first one. The first one is reducing the spam click, and that's so easy. Watch this. Hammer right-click function, alright? On our self-check for the right-click function? Nah. On the tick function. Tag equals, comma, no tag of hammer cooldown. I wonder if tags are persistent. Like through logins and whatnot. That'd be an interesting thing to check. Okay, so where do we apply that? We apply that in the right-click function. Alt-Z so that I can get into the file. Execute as self. Run tag self add hammer cooldown. Okay. So now we've got to make a scheduler, and I think the scheduler cannot be run to select self, so we'll just select all players that have the I wonder if it can be scheduled. That's going to be an interesting thing. Let me go look that up. The schedule function always runs as the server. Okay. Maybe that's not going to work. Because if I make it a global thing, then that's going to affect every player. So one player using their tool is going to schedule every single player to get their cooldown refreshed, which is not ideal. My next thoughts are store the cooldown in a scoreboard variable for that player, and then schedule a check to happen after 3 seconds. And any players that meet that criteria should work? But then how should I tick the scoreboard down? Just as is, I guess. I guess we'll give it a shot. So on our load function, we'll need another scoreboard value. And we'll call this tool cooldown. And it'll be a dummy function. Yeah. We're not going to use hammer cooldown anymore. So we'll have to go into the tick function. That out of there. Probably set it to be like tool cooldown equals 0. Now let's see if that took away my ability to fix tools. Because it might have. No, we seem to be working. And for the purposes of repairing things, let's use an iron. An iron guy. I'm gonna guess 500. Probably not. Yeah, it ain't. What about 200? Yeah, 200's fine. So that should only take like 10 ticks or 9 ticks. You got 9 bonks. And to confirm, nothing needs to... Oh, this needs to be saved. The right-click function. All the other functions already set. Refresh. Let's just refresh the map then. Well, actually load should do it anyways, but we'll do it just to be safe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7? Okay, so scoreboard. Scoreboard player. Set. Self. Tool cooldown. This is going to be dependent on the server tick rate too. So what I think I'll do is I will have a repeating... Yeah, that'll be better. I'll do a repeating function called loop. That's going to be under the top layer folder. And this is going to be one of those awful, naughty functions. Watch this. I don't know what replace does. Oops. What replace do? Oh. I don't think that's the right use of this function. I don't think I used it before in a useful way. Oh, so we want it to do replace. Is that right? So every 20 game ticks, we want the function to run itself. And the purpose of this, we will do some comments. Those are good. Make sure you always document your code, lest you hate yourself in the past. I'm debating if I should passive-aggressively leave notes for myself. Again. Nah, we'll change it to hammer cooldown. If there's more types of tools, they might have different cooldowns. Might as well. Add some polish. Yep, we're doing that so we can get rid of this. No, don't touch the fix me until it's done. What if you abandon this and you never come back? Oh no! Oh no! Now there is. No, there isn't, you fool! You didn't add it in the load function. There we go. We were still able to ting, so... that was bad. Let's see. We could probably save more bandwidth if we only do that check once. Does it happen in the tick function? This is where the singular one check should happen for the entity checking stuff. But at the same time, we do an execute as the entity. Optimize it later. I don't feel like it. Okay. I'll put a nice little to-do for me right here. I hear fire. Why is that? Hello. Was there a Mr. McBurney close to me? Yeah, I didn't say you guys had permission to run commands. Was it you? Was it Buzzington? Was it you? I've got my eye on you. Okay, my to-do is saved. We add the cooldown if it does it at the thing place, right? Yeah, holy smokes, that is room for optimization. Okay, so inside of the loop function, wait, is that how you access scores? Yeah. Oh! That might just do it. I didn't realize that that was what add and remove did. Alright, on the load command now. That was a whack sound. Holy ravioli. Oh. Didn't mean to click whatever I clicked, but... Oh, my hammer cooldown. Aha! Okay, so one thing is functional about it. It's only adding the cooldown if I successfully click, and then it goes down. Yeah, that's good. It should actually be 2 seconds, because it goes ting, 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 and it's done. Maybe that's 1. I'll drop it to 2 and see what happens. In a minute. Not yet. Was it in the tick function? Yeah. That's adorable. I put it in the wrong one. Good job, me. There we go. Bam. Oh no. There we go. And just in case some whack things happen, we want it to be any negative values. It stopped at 0 this time, but I don't trust the computer to do things right. We tricked rocks into thinking, and someday they may learn to think for themselves. Oh. My hammer cooldown is the low, though. Why won't you work? I did everything you asked. That's tool cooldown, you silly goob. Yeah, we'll make it 2. There. I have successfully implemented a cooldown function. And it should be on a per player basis. Yeah, one of the fun things about this I remember just having difficulties with was when I play tested this in a multiplayer setting, I realized everything I wrote only worked because I was thinking of me, myself, and I. Okay. Oops. That's fairly comfortable. Oh, hello. How you be? It's almost there. Let's drop that to 5-5. Oh, that's way too slow. Let's put that back to 7-5. I got them bonks though. Yeah, I get it, man. I haven't been able to sleep. Just can't. I lay down and then I'm fully awake, and then I get up and I'm tired again. I don't know. Like, super hardcore players of Minecraft, please tell me if you like the sound or not. I kind of want it to be slower via the pitch change to indicate like when your cooldown ends. Yeah, freaking Wii music, you know? Like, it's just so good. It's just so good. What are you doing? Command block with no commands. Get out of here. I don't need you anymore. Sometimes I tire myself. Calling all epic gamers. Time for another epic gaming moment. You know, I had a dumb idea. I could put I could take the enchantment off of the, I could take the enchantment off of the item and that would indicate graphically when you're able to click again. So if it's all glowy and pretty like this, then it's got the clicks. But do I... Yeah, I didn't get my... I haven't gotten my letter back yet, otherwise I would've tried to show up. Although I'm in absolutely no condition to work right now, because I haven't slept in the last 24 hours. Are you starting to revert back to your F form? Yeah, they better have my freaking thing on the... by the 29th so that I can return. That was the date the phone told me to come back, so that's the day I'm coming back. Unless I get it sooner. But I don't know, at the same time, like... another person who will not be named as to who they are and how they associate to me, their leave of absence thing paid them out even after they returned, so kind of like an oversight there. You don't actually get to change your return to work date after you set it, so going back early, kinda iffy. I don't feel comfortable on that one if it's gonna be a nervousness thing, but you know. Okay, so we got it to slow down. Yeah, I don't like the way it changes the tick, 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 actually. It's bothersome. We'll put it to like 85. See what that sounds like. Get it, hit him in the old jibs, eh? That's alright. That's alright. Pop him right up on the gully there. Alright. Hit him with the old jib. Do watch this 360 no scope, watch. See that? Got him. Dude, did you see that one? We did the jump over the anvil 360 no scope. Watch this, we're gonna do the 1080p. Spin around, jump off of the tower, and slam dunk the sword onto the pedestal no scope. Watch. Here we go. Quick scope! Yeah! How'd you like that one? It's pretty impressive, huh? But that one earned me like 6 followers. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my Trinstagram. Josh Davenport has been dropping some some epic justice posts. So you gotta get in there. It's right here, see it? Wow. Every time you hit that like button, it reloads my mods. Shut up. Oh. Okay. Camera cooldown. I'm not gonna change the graphic. Maybe we'll drop it down to 1 second. Uh-oh. Oh no, I don't like 1 second. Let me change its sound effect back up to 1, and let's see if it fits within 1 second. My assumption is that it will. Nah, it's gotta be 2. It's gotta be 2. Else I get kinda angry. You gotta do the right thing, you hear me? It's gotta be 2 because occasionally you can hit like an in-between tick and it goes down a little bit quicker. And we don't want that. We didn't hit the bean button. You know what? I'm gonna throw this one away. It's no good anymore. We need a new sword. I could fly, huh? I could be like... come on and slam. Welcome to the jam. Come on and slam. You wanna jam. How would you think of that one? Are you on your lunchy break? Oh, dude, a speed potion? Heck nah. We don't drink a potion to get the zoomies here. We pray to God. Watch this. You gotta pray to God, okay? We're gonna... Dear Heavenly Father, up in the aether of the sky, I want the zoomies. Can you do it? Can you make me go fast? I promise I'll be a good boy from now on. For like 25 minutes at the minimum. If you could just do that up in your little sky castle, that'd be the best. Alright. Hit me with the zoomies. I want like 100 seconds of the zooms. And give me like an amplifier of 100. What about 999, Gad? No? Okay, give me like 100. And I want the particles to be hidden. Oh! He do be fast though. I got that zip zip zoom. Thank you, Lord, for the speed you've granted me of my feet. I go fast as fuck, boy. Oh! You ever cover like 7 miles in one fell gallop? Oh! Oh! There's never been It's like I'm drinking skooma in Morrowind. Y'all remember that one? That's an epic callback to my Morrowind playthrough, where I would drink 1,000,000 skooma and then we'd have a race to get to the other side of the map. We gotta have a skooma potion. Zoop, zoop, zoom. I don't like this anymore. Can I go regular speed? Oh, I done threw myself in a cave. I can't be trusted with this kind of power. Where am I? You know what other powers I cannot be trusted with? Nuclear weaponry. Do not ever put me in charge of that stuff. Like, ever. Oh dude, did you see that epic, like, jump off the cacti? Oh, the zip zooms are gone. Alright. Well, we got this with the cooldown. That's the objective I had. Alright, so we've done exactly what I asked for. Let's remove that from the to-do. There we go. Do as few checks as possible. Dip, dip, ding. Let's see how many... Let's see how many things that I am looking for at the same time. So, it looks like 2. So this one right here should probably be its own function too, so that we only perform the check once. Perform the check once, perform the actions, instead of check, 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 check. That's 4 checks that we have to go through the entire hierarchy of things to look at before their goal gets accomplished. But I mean, it's in a playable state now, so I think it's pretty much about to be releasable. Click the old rainbow maker to make it look ominous and spooky. And then we'll hit the rainbow goner to make it look all nice again. Potion of the zip zone. We gotta get a hold of Kinji, and if you see him, if he works today, harass him for me, would ya? And say, hey Cringy, what's your schedule look like for Wednesday? And then, like, crack your knuckles like you're gonna be all, like, intimidating. Cause, like, I'd like to put Wednesday on the schedule, put it on the map of things we could be doing, you know. But I gotta know from my players, they gonna be here or not. He's kinda plot critical just for the little moment. But I don't know, I'm thinking we will continue even if he doesn't. We'll see. There are always contingency plans for things like this. They're non-ideal. Why, thank you. It'd be great if instead of reloading, it just said, like, liked your video. I would be tickled pink. Alright, let's look at my other fix-me's. Well, I'm here. I might as well. Do 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 do. We don't need to do any check. So we'll just do execute at self, run play sound for the player at self. Perfect. Right click function. We will take this one, copy it into here. Bam. And then stick an execute at self on it. Bam. Alright. No check is being performed anymore. It's just doing the things. And now here... There. So now the extra stuff should be running. Do not trust my ability to code. Do not trust my ability to code. Okay, so it looks like these are the exact same two checks. So the blacksmith hammer... Did you hear that fire sound again? You're making spoochy noises up there. Stop that. Told him. I guess they're hungry in there. Oh, here, let's give them a couple cookies. They're probably starvating. That should pacify them for a while. You know what? Oh no! She took the words of mine at heart. Oh my goodness. Hello everyone. Is this your new place? I can't do what I was intending to do. There's so many of you living here. Alright. Oh. They escaped. My beak. Well, I finally got my bird back. Go on, get. Go on, it's safer in there. You need to get. Okay. Why do I have all this garbage in my inventory? I don't need any of this trash. Go, get. I don't need that, I don't need that, I don't need the chest plate. Ooh-wee! Just for that. Her character's getting all nat ones when she someday has the time to play with us. Doo boo doo boo doo 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 boo bum bum bum. Okay. What am I doing? Oh yeah. Putting all of the checks. Oh no, these ones are important checks. Okay, so it's a minor optimization then. I am so much more comfortable with that. It's nice. It's nice. It works. I don't feel like doing the other to-do. I feel like, I don't know, doing something else. Let's just update my to-dos. That's been done. The tick function. That's been done. Right click function, the extra, the loop, the load, the repair. No, I have a tree thing right here. Add some polish here. That was in the wrong file. However, no, I'm a genius, that's right. I'll put a second fix me in it. Hey, you forgot to do the above. What a Deutsch. Okay. Play a dope-ass jangle, remove damage. I'm going to count that as fixed. They a dope ass jangle. Yeah, that's a good description of what the code does. Everything be safe. Everything be safe-did now. Okay. Yeah. Is in a dangle heckin' good state. So that one fix that I was mentioning does need to be addressed before I release, though. I don't want somebody pounding away on a netherite chest plate just to get, like, you know, almost all the way through, and then their cheeky little friend comes by and says, "Pioink!" And now they hunt him down, they kill him, they get the sword back, and gotta do it all over again. But at the same time, we don't want it to directly affect the repair value of it immediately, or people will just never finish their repair. There was an alternative, I thought, to that, but My alternative was, instead of saying that you have the value of the material, it would give you so many swings. So, slapping a diamond on... But I don't like that either, because I want the damage to get all the way fixed and the item is fully 100% repaired. I don't want to just go in there and give them 22 swings when it's going to take like 27 swings and then have some left over that you can... They're never going to know the status of their sword. And then maybe the only other thing would be, how do you check if it's already got a material on it? Well, easy. Does it work? It's got a material. Does it not work? It don't. I can't really give it a graphical effect if it's got the material. Whatever you say, toots. Yeah. 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 Okay, I've gotta go get my boys out of the spooky place. They have suffered in there for too long. Come on. Do you see how dangerous this place is for you? Come on. You too. Come on, Bacon. Hey! I didn't say you could escape from me. Come on. Come on. Do a jump. You gotta jump. Come on. We gotta go find your brothers. Actually, that'll work. Come on. There. Still hear one of y'all. Naughty creatures. What are you doing in here? Okay, well, it should be all of our extended family. Now y'all gotta get. There. Oh. you know, I just gotta end it on a bang. 'Cause that's how the world ends. Not with a bang, but a whimper. A whimper to the sound of 2,000 tons of big boom. Doesn't that contradict what you've already said? Don't backtalk me, that's not cool, man. Oh man, our Christmas dinner is actually pretty bomb. Stepmom tried this recipe where you get the meat to like 500 degrees, like 545, and then it starts to smoke really bad, and then you just turn the oven off and you'll leave it for 3 hours. And we are all like, is this gonna be kosher and Gucci, or is this gonna be like Bad News Bears? It was fine. I liked it. It was a little bit raw for their tastes, but it had good flavor. It was meaty. It was a good brand and cut of meat, so no issues in that regard. All right. I'd say just about mission accomplished. This place is still too spooky for me. Dude, do you remember the first, like, release of the Nether? Before I go, I'm gonna just tell you this story. Ghasts would not be killed by lava, but they would scream. So if you walked into the Nether, you would just be met with horrifying, terrible, agonizing screams if one of them were to like walk into some lava. And I didn't even know what a ghast was back then, so like I was just there. I hopped into this place and I was like, hey, this is the realm of spooks. This is like literally going into hell. I should be careful here. And then, you know, you just hear the screams, and I just turned around and I was like, nope, nuh-uh, never again. looks like all the foxies got away. Alright. So yeah, just one more fix me on the polish list and the blacksmithing portion of my data pack is finished. And then I want to do like a EXP storing something or other. I think the way that'll work is like something to do with soulfire, something to do with like a sacrificial knife and some bottles. You'll create like a custom item that looks like a potion, but it's not. It's going to be another one of these carrot stick items. And you'll just have to voluntabligate people to download the resource pack too. And so yeah, you'll get like a knife item that allows you to like use the soulfire to extract experience points out of yourself, and it'll have a life cost associated with it, so you can't just bank your levels and then do it for free. You've got to bank your levels into an item and hurt yourself for like 4 points of damage. And then maybe I'll have a thing to stick them all together, like you throw 4 of these things into a cauldron, and then you get a stronger version of it back. But the cauldron has to also be under soul fire. Anyways, you have a wonderful, fantastic, awesome day at the place that we know and love. I hope to see you there again soon. And I also hope to see you here on my stream every day, even when I'm not streaming. Nah, you do you, boo. I will not.